Welcome to Great Lakes Dental Clinic and Orthodontic Care, Kolkata. Today we are talking about ceramic dental veneers for correction of midline diastema, which is a part of instant smile design. Ours is one of the most awarded cosmetic dental clinic in Kolkata. Patient reported to us with gaps in teeth, midline diastema, and was unhappy with her smile. As you can see, she had about 4 to 5 millimeters of gap in between her front two teeth. The patient was very shy and was conscious of her problem. Whenever a patient comes to us with gaps in teeth, we advise two forms of treatment. One is dental braces or aligners, which are natural solution to close up the gaps, and artificial solutions in the form of cosmetic composite bonding and ceramic dental veneers. She wanted a quick solution to her problem. Hence, dental braces and aligners were ruled out, and composite bonding or ceramic dental veneers was advised to her. She wanted to go for a permanent solution in the form of ceramic dental veneers. She had done tooth color fillings, which is also called as composite bonding, from a previous dentist, but they tend to discolor and break off, and she wanted a permanent solution to this problem. Hence, ceramic dental veneers in the form of digital smile designing was advised to her. Digital smile designing involves digital designing of veneers, computerized designing and color analysis, and also takes into consideration the gum contours, the color and the shape of the teeth, and the final smile arc that is to be considered in the patient's mouth. So laser dentistry was also advised to her as gum recontourings were required. So her DSD or digital smile designing involved lasers for gum recontouring and ceramic dental veneers. A 3D printing of models was done in order to assess the problem for manufacturing of ceramic dental veneers. First, the shape approval was done, then color approval was done, and then the final veneers were constructed. 6 veneers were made in the front 6 teeth. The magic of the treatment lies in understanding what was before treatment and the final results of the treatment, which look much more aesthetic, and the color and shape of the teeth matches with the natural teeth. Our success story could be yours too. This was before treatment, and this is the final results of the treatment that we achieved. Facial transformation was achieved within 4 hours time. This seriously raised her confidence level because now she is blessed with a beautiful smile at the end of the treatment. A life-changing experience for her, that's what she told. And on the final day of the treatment, when we asked her about her feedback, she said, "Why did I not do this treatment before in my life?" And all we had to answer is, it's better late than never. If you want similar forms of treatment or want to know about such forms of treatment, meet our chief orthodontist and dental braces and cosmetic smile designing expert, Dr. ABHISEK GHOSH, as a consultant orthodontist in Great Lakes Dental Clinic and Orthodontic Care, Kolkata. Our clinic is blessed with multiple awards. So for any queries, please log on to www.greatlakesdentalclinics.com or contact us at 833-709-8496 or 833-5979-173. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel to know more about cosmetic dental treatments and veneers, aligners, and dental braces. Thank you for a patient listening.